Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake pumpkin cream pie. So let's get started. To make the crust in a large Ziploc bag, add in the graham crackers or any plain and crisp cookies you like. Press out the excess air and seal the bag. Then crush them using a rolling pin until it forms fine crumbs. Then pour them into a medium bowl and add in the melted butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, and mix them together until they're well combined. Then pour it into an 8 or 9-inch pie pan. Spread them out evenly and press them firmly until the inside is covered. Then place it into the fridge for now until it's set. To make the pumpkin cream filling in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and beat it with an electric mixer until it's smooth. Then add in the brown sugar, pumpkin puree, make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix, vanilla extract, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and cloves, and beat them in until they're well combined. Then in a separate bowl, add in the heavy cream and whip it until it forms soft peaks. Try not to whip it to stiff peaks. Then pour the whipped cream into the rest of the mixture and fold it in until it's just combined. Then remove the chilled crust from the fridge. Pour the filling into the pan. Spread it out until it's even. Wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 6 hours or overnight. Then to make the whipped cream in a small or medium bowl, add in the heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and cinnamon, and whip it until it reaches stiff peaks. Try not to over-whip it. Then remove the chilled pie from the fridge and spread the whipped cream all over the top. And that's how to make a no-bake pumpkin cream pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.